Did you know that in 2019, astronomers made an extraordinary discovery? It turns out that the Milky Way galaxy is actually on a slow-motion collision course with our neighboring Andromeda galaxy. But before you start worrying, let me assure you that this cosmic merger won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. That's a pretty long way off, right? Currently, Andromeda is about 2.5 million light years away from us, but it's moving towards us at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second, 68 miles per second. This event is called a galactic merger, but don't picture stars smashing together because of the vast distances between them. What's really fascinating is what happens when the Milky Way and Andromeda finally do merge. They will create a brand new galaxy that astronomers have playfully named Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Over time, the gravitational forces between these galaxies will warp and reshape them, resulting in a massive elliptical galaxy. But that's not all. This collision is likely to trigger bursts of star formation, bringing new celestial bodies into existence. And some stars, including our very own sun, might be flung into completely new orbits, or even beyond the galaxy altogether. This incredible future event offers scientists invaluable insights into the evolution of galaxies. Galactic collisions are much more common than you might think, and they profoundly impact the structure of galaxies. In fact, it's believed that even our Milky Way has consumed smaller galaxies in the past, shaping it into its current form. This future dance between the Milky Way and Andromeda reminds us of the ever-changing nature of the universe. It's a testament to the dynamic and awe-inspiring beauty of cosmic evolution. While we may not be around to witness this galactic merger, it offers astronomers an extraordinary opportunity to study the future evolution of our beloved galaxy.